there. We are doing for summer reading Read Around the World. So we thought we would do recipes from different countries, and I chose Thailand. So today I'm going to make a Thai peanut salad, and it says here it is a low-carb keto Thai recipe. Lots of recipes on Pinterest if you need to and take different recipes and put together, but I'm going to show you the recipe that I chose. It's going to start out with 4 cups of purple shredded cabbage. Then we have a half a cup of cucumber. I have already pre-measured everything, so we're just going to put it in here. Teaspoon of garlic. I keep a jar of minced garlic in the fridge. That's what I'm using. Half a cup of green onions chopped. A half a cup of salted peanuts. A half a cup of red bell pepper chopped up. Okay, so that's the base of the salad. So we're going to put that aside, and now I'm going to make the dressing that goes on it. Okay, it says a half a cup of ginger paste. I am going to start with just a half a cup of ginger for the taste of the ginger. But first of all, I'm going to put in my 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. So let's put the peanut butter in the bowl. Put the ginger in on top of it. My next thing is, to make it probably the keto, is the sugar substitute, and that's a teaspoon of that, which I use sweet and low, so I'll just shake that in there. 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, give it a little spice. Then it says salt and pepper, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Okay, then the oils and vinegars, we have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, and I'm going to take my whisk. Mix that all together. Oh, of course, make a mess. Let's get that whisked up pretty smooth. Okay, let's bring our bowl with all of the salad ingredients over here again. We're going to put the dressing on top of it. Then stir it all up in the bowl. that's stirred and mixed pretty good. Now, after you've refrigerated it and you go to stir it or to serve it, you might want to stir it up again a little bit. This is my Thai peanut salad.